TB Joshua wife, what we know as Evelyn Joshua, don't come outside, can't talk about TB Joshua last moment. This man death, he really pain me. In fact, he even shocked me, say this man don't die. All of us know this man, what they call TB Joshua, where in full name now, Temitope Balogun Joshua. All of us don't hear say this man don't die a week to him birthday. Now what? This man where they run the church of the synagogue, where all of us know say this church they sabi perform miracle. This man they always help people and they do miraculous things. This wife now don't talk say this man run in race well. Say he run am in a prayerful way. That means this man has him die self like this. They know they too worried because of say waiting. Now God place this man they go. She they talk say this man. Before he even do that program for that day, say the man dey inside house, they pray for 3 hours. It be like say this man don't even know wetin wan happen before he even start this prayer. Say this man they pray before he do in last service and say in dey healthy, no sign of sickness, nothing they do. In fact, in dey fit gidigbam, instant can't play, nothing they worry this man before he even go do the program. Say as him pray finish and in prayer point self now about because of COVID-19 and Indian people. We know that this thing now they increase for India. Say now in prayer point self now be that one. Say as this man they pray this thing, she can't look and say they don't already start worship for church. So she even can't leave this TB Joshua go. Him can't enter bedroom say he won't go bath. And as him bath finish, he come, he enter service, he come preach. He even talk about a time to come and a time to leave. Now there I come they think and say, it be like say this man, God don't already tell her something. Because for you to preach about a time to come and a time to leave, it be like saying don't know say in time don't reach for him to leave. Now I make her this, give this, and she talks say that teaching. In fact, it is very spiritual. See, as him preach that day, the thing touched so many lives. But people not to understand this kind of talk when he talk. See, as him come talk and finish now, he come enter in inner chambers, go sit down for there. As she not come dey see him, he don't take. She come dey reason say, what thing they happen? What thing this man still they do inside house because service never close. He just enter. Now there she come go see him, he sit down inside chair like person where they reflect. So she just feel say she they reflect. But as she look and well, now there she come see say the man no dey conscious. Now there she come dey think and say it be like say something don't happen because he know they too move. Now there she come call all in disciples say make they come see you, make they come up and look in your husband. So say wetin they happen. Now there they try everything where they go do before they come see say this daddy don't die. Our daddy TB Joshua he don't die this matter too pain me. But as he die said they thought say he leave one message for everybody. You say make we watch and pray. Make we watch and pray because you don't know what they even see. Before in the talk say make we watch and pray. Say this one like it's not be end time don't they come like this. The race where people just they die. What thing they happen? And this man he don't touch so many lives. But wait till the vex me now, as this man don't see that, people see they talk bad about him. And we even hear say Sahara reporters talk say this TB Joshua they sick for the past 2 days. That's why they sick. Now he go still come sit down for altar say he won't preach. Say as they carry and go hospital, now there he can't die. Now the wife don't come out and can't talk what really happen. Make we know they carry story where we don't know. So our reporters when no they inside the church now then come they give us story of another thing. But this man dead it too pain me. But what make people they talk bad about if person don't die, make the person just die in peace. Make his soul rest in peace. Don't be say person don't die another time I can't remember say he no do this one. Some people say they talk saying what make can go hospital. They mean they heal people of the sick. What make can no heal himself. What make can I no can understand. What make can no heal himself because of say waiting. Now the wife talk say he no even sick, nothing do him. The man they fit, the man they okay. So make na know they talk all this kind of matter. The man dead and people cry. If you not see as people cry for this man, the whole synagogue, the whole church, people cry because this man they help people. If they really help people, people who no get, people where they sick. Some people say now inside synagogue they live, they no get house. Now inside that place now they live. But making a respect in last time. Say this man don't die, making a just respect him. All this matter say him do this one, say him be fake, making a just leave and make him go. The person don't die. And I sure say as him die like this, now God place him they go. Because as people they talk good things about this man. People they talk say he help them do this one. People don't really talk better things about this man. So I feel say God him go don't already there for God place. And as it be, make all of us live our life well for this earth because everybody go die one day. So if you don't live your life well, now there people go to talk bad things about you. In fact, even if you live and well, they go talk bad. You don't live and well, they go still talk bad. So you better just you live your life for Christ. Do things in a good way. So that when you die, you go get good reputation. People go see you say, you be better person. They don't go just look you say, this man will say, now this one they do. They go respect your death. As it be, now here they end this matter. Anything way now feel about this TB Joshua matter, making a write down for the comment section. Then making a don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you for our next video. Them don't attack Ugandan transport minister. This kind of attack now where we say it don't lead to the death of his daughter and his bodyguard. That means this kind of wahala where they even happen for Nigeria and other countries. Not be only Nigeria they happen, no. Things they happen for other countries. This man now where they talk say his name now General Edward Katumba Wahama. Say now be this man name. Say this man rule between 2013 to 2017. This man now they lead army forces within that in time. Say now for no reason they just see some men where they carry Okada. This men they before they sit down on top of their bike, cover their face, two on top of bike. Now so they start to shoot this man motor. As they shoot this man motor now, maybe because of say this man na armed force, he don't know as him go take a dodge. Now this bullet go touch in Pikin and in body, and immediately these two people die. Now wow, death every day. But this man we hear say bullets dey inside him body. Him never die, he still dey alive. But wound don't full all in body. And this man now they try survive for his life. But as the matter be like this, police people don't already carry this matter for head. Because this matter now assassin matter, they send people to come kill this man. But for what reason now? If things they pain now, make them know they give laws. I mean, make them know they put law inside in our own hand. Make na lift things. God go judge this man rightly. Which one come be say, na go just carry gun, go dey shoot person. As it be now, the person even still there alive. But his daughter don't die. His bodyguard don't die. To be president Pikin now, sef. In fact, to be rich man Pikin, don't even turn wahala. That means your life, sef. Your life there at stake. You don't even fit get peace. It just be like all the celebrity. If you come out, now some people go follow you for here. Now so this one just be. That means anywhere where you go, they go dey monitor you. Especially if your papa don't go do something now for some year. See as they just waste this man daughter life now. This man said if he even dey in coma, if he wake up here say him Pikin don't die, and I not think say him go even self think as make him kuku just die now because nothing where him go dey they live. Especially if this Pikin na him only Pikin. Now wow, people get heart. People get heart. You go just send assassin to kill your fellow man. When we say you know if you create by your own self, you can't send people make them go kill him. As you kill and finish now, when this person no die, what thing you can't gain? You go to your house, they rejoice, they pay you. As they hear this news now, say this person over die. How body they do you? Because they're supposed to protect this man, no? Because that hospital where they safe, he no go they safe. This one where they come meet you for road, they shoot. See as they scatter this motor now. See as they shoot this motor. I even surprised self say this man still there alive. Because with the way bullets scatter this motor, this man supposed to even die. But things like this, why be say for now? If let's say this thing they run through Africa, if let's say our face, this after this COVID, if let's now this face now we they run through. Because I don't understand the way people they die, they just they kill people. What thing they happen? In fact, this world don't even tire person. And for some make we die go rest, but in fact, me I still enjoy this world. So make I stay small. But as it be, people don't tire, people they complain, people they vex. What thing they really happen? As the matter be like this, we'll just they pray to God, say this man they okay. Make this man self, I don't know as they want to do them. And make they find and these people where kill this, where shoot this daughter and this bodyguard. This bodyguard now on, they know they too talking because maybe this man not be even one popular person. They don't put in own matter, but in family self, in family go they feel pain. They suppose give them condolence. I don't know where they go do ceremony for these two people, for the bodyguard alone. Because we go they look and say, he no be big person, they go they put them for back. Now only the daughter now we they hear about. But as it be, I beg, make police find these people. Uganda police making their work, find these people. They no go just they kill people, they now go they leave them. Things don't they over happen for this Africa now. Person no fit live in peace. You go dey fear yourself say within 30 minutes you don't die. At this matter be making a comment I don't know what's now making a just talk on our mind as they be on making a write down for the comment section. Then making a not forget to like share and also subscribe to this channel as I go see you for our next video.